everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Ipsy haul for you. This is the first Glam bag Xbox that I've ever gotten. It costs $58. I believe they come out every 3 months. So instead of getting the normal $25 one, I get this $58 one every 3 or 4 months. Don't quote me on that, I'm not positive. So first, I am going to review the items I got this last month in my normal Ipsy bag, just to let you guys know kind of what I thought about them. The first item is this Pixie by Petra, and it's the Flawless Beauty Primer. It does have a sheen to it and a little bit of a tan color also. And so what I've been doing is mixing just a tiny bit of it, because it goes very far, in with my moisturizer, and I put it on in the morning. And even if I don't put on any other makeup, it seems to make my skin glow and look just a little bit better and feel like I don't look like a zombie, because that's how I feel a lot of the time, honestly, getting the amount of sleep I do with 5 boys. So this is definitely one that I would get again. The next item is this Fast Pass Natural AHA Cleanser, and it's for oily or combination skin. And I do like this one. I love the packaging. I love the cleanser. I actually even had my 16-year-old son use it, who tends to have oily skin and has started kind of having hormonal breakouts on his forehead because of hair. And it seems to be actually helping him. So this one I would actually get again, and I may end up purchasing it later on for my son just to use on his skin. The next item that I got in last month's box is this LM body butter, and it's the one that I said smells just like lemon bars. I gotta smell it again. See, I'm the only one in my house that likes lemon bars, so if I make them, then I end up having to eat them all, and that's just not a good idea. So when I see somewhere where they have lemon bars, I'm just gonna snag one for myself. So I would definitely recommend this one. I normally put on Palmer's cocoa butter after I get out of the shower on my shins that have dermatitis and all over my body. My 10-year-old loves the way it smells, and he always comes up and gives me a hug and goes, it's so cute. And so I put this on top of it sometimes because I just love how it smells, instead of using like body spray or anything like that. So this is definitely one that I would get again. The fourth item is the new company NUE, the pill all-in-one serum, and it's got AHA, vitamin C, and HA. And I really like this. It has a very good formula. I've used about half of it so far. I use it every morning. It does have, it's not a bad smell, but it's almost like it smells like vitamins. So you can tell that it's like a vitamin kind of serum. And I definitely feel like this has been helping my skin. So I would recommend this one again. I may actually pick this one up after I run out of it, unless I get something better in another Glam bag. You never know. So that's a good one too. Last is this Trestique, and it's the Contour Cheek Stick. And I'm not big on having lots of makeup on. I like to be more simple. And so I did try this a couple of times. I used it before my video up here, a little here and here. I do feel like it kind of helps to frame a little bit more, but I don't know that I would use it to the extent that a lot of YouTubers use it. I don't like having a lot of stuff on my skin when you're older and you have more fine lines and stuff, especially under your eyes. It makes it a lot more obvious. And I'm just kind of getting into the whole makeup thing again after spending years putting myself on the back burner. This is all coming from somebody that's not a huge makeup guru, and just kind of getting to know stuff. I will try this every once in a while, but it's not something that I'm going to use on a regular basis. However, if you are into doing contouring and everything, I do feel like it blends well. I do feel like it works the way that it's supposed to, as far as I know. It may be a different opinion with other people, but as far as my needs go, I feel like it works. And it'll probably last me a very long time since I don't use it a lot. So that's it for last month. So let's get into the Glam Bag X, which is stuff that's picked by, is it Khloe Kardashian? I'm not a Kardashian person, I don't know. Yeah, Khloe's must-haves. Your invitation to glam. Ooh. I'm just happy because I get stuff for less expensive than I normally would. I did, just side note, I did already open this box. I wanted to scan everything and see how much it actually sells for the most part online. I scanned them for either eBay or Amazon because that's where a lot of people will end up getting stuff for cheaper. And everything that I scanned totaled I think it was $82. And so with the fact that I paid $58 for all of this stuff, that's just an amazing deal. And there's a lot of stuff that I get to try out that I wouldn't have normally bought because I am not one to spend tons of money on makeup. I'm just not. So I just realized my other light wasn't on. And so I had to go and turn it on because this side of my face was lit up and this side was not. So that was really weird. Okay, here it is. It's got some nice padding in it so that nothing gets all squashed up. And don't mind my crazy hair. I got a perm and it's kind of fried. So one of these items in here, the first one I'm going to show you, I am super excited about trying because I've never tried it before. So this is Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment, and it's number 0. So this stuff, it looks like you put in all over your hair in dry, small sections. Saturate from root to tip. Hair should be damp, not drenched. Leave on hair for 10 minutes. Do not rinse. Then you apply a generous amount of the number 3 hair perfector to saturated hair and wait 10 minutes. And that is actually the one, the number 3 is the one my sister got me when she found out that my hair got fried on the bottom, because it's fine up here where my hair is natural now, but where it still has color in it down here, since I'm growing out my gray, it is over treated and a little fried, and so it's very dry and very just, it doesn't feel well. But I don't want to chop it because I don't like having short hair. So this is going to be very helpful, and in next month's video I will let you guys know exactly how helpful it was for my hair and if it's worth the amount that you have to pay for it or not, because Olaplex is not cheap. Second item is Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm Lift and Illuminate. So this is like a face cleanser. Ooh, it's really like hard in there. Luxurious cleansing balm removes makeup and dirt from the face whilst visibly ugh, I hate the word whilst. It drives me crazy. Whilst visibly transforming the appearance of the skin. Take a small amount and warm in the hands. Apply directly to the face to break down makeup, dirt, or to purify the skin. Rinse with warm water or a muslin cloth. Who has a muslin cloth? For improved results and gentle exfoliation. Use morning and night for best results. I like the packaging, it's pretty. It didn't squirt me because it's thick. I can't smell anything. So here it is. Pink Diamond. You can get it out. It's like really hard. See that? It's almost like Play-Doh. I can't get it to come out. Well, that's not a good sign. Hopefully it's not like really old and I got like the cast off or something. So I'll let you guys know next month if this works out for me or not. All right, next item. Sorry, I have to keep an eye on the time because my husband's gonna be back with the kids so we can go somewhere today. Okay, next item is 111 Skin by Harley St. London Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Booster Illuminateur or Rose. There you go. Let's open it up. Yep, that is rose gold. Oh, it's, ooh. Can you see that? Yeah, that's definitely rose gold in there. And it's like a serum. I'm fascinated with that one now. So I can't wait to try that one out. I'll let you guys know how it works. Okay, next item is Aceology Overnight Lip Mask. There we go. Now I don't know how that's gonna work. I mean, cause who sleeps on their pillow just and doesn't move? Am I the only one that like tosses and turns and stuff? Does anyone just lay there? Cause I don't. Yeah. To use, apply generous amount to lips prior to sleeping. Upon awakening, wipe with damp cotton pad to remove. Use weekly for optimal results. Now, wipe with a cotton pad if it's not already rubbed all over my pillowcase, right? Let's be real here. So I will test it out and see how it works and everything, but I am a little skeptical on that one because my husband is a crazy sleeper. So because he's all over the place, I have to move around while I'm sleeping because of that. So it makes it a little difficult. Next item is Tower 28 by Shine On Milky Lip Jelly. Interesting. There's the back. Sorry about my nails, y'all. I need to get my nails done, and because of that, one of them broke off. Seriously, they're way too grown out. I just don't have the time. That's a cool package. Let's try some. It's a nice package. I think that's a really good color. What do you guys think? I think it goes with my skin tone really good. That might be a really good one. I'm not much for lipsticks, but like lip gloss and stuff, I can do that. I don't like to have to reapply stuff. I'm not high maintenance. I just never have been. It's kind of hard to be that way when you have 5 boys. Next item, oh, I already opened it, y'all. Complex Culture Rose Quartz Gua Sha Sculpting Stone. Sculpting Stone. Okay. There's a little pack. Weird. It's rose quartz. Looks like a heart. I wonder if this is something that you're supposed to go like this. Ooh, I wonder if that would work under your eyes. It's nice and cool. I feel like it could be possibly one of those things that would help with like your puffiness for your eyes. Like this, maybe. Because of the shape of it, maybe something that goes like this to possibly help with your skin kind of dragging a little bit like mine started to do. So maybe this is something that kind of helps to tighten it up or something. I'm gonna have to look it up. I'm a little fascinated by that one now. Right here. Has its own little case. That is so cute. I'll have to try that out. It reminds me of those jade rollers you get that are supposed to help with the puffiness under your eyes. Now I've got nowhere to put this. 2 more items. One is tiny, and this one actually I think was like 50 bucks or something. This cost the most out of everything else. So this is Lip to Cheek Rouge, RMS Beauty. And here is the little package. So I'm guessing this is some sort of blush. It is a neat color. I'm not sure if that'll work for me or not. It is very smooth. You can see it on my finger. Seems like something that will probably last for quite a while. Box down there. One last item for this, y'all. This is the One Size Patrick Star Visionary Eyeshadow Palette, and it's huge. Like I said, I'm not big on makeup. I haven't been for a very long time, since I was younger, and so having a big eye palette thing like this is just not something normal for me. I don't even know if this will fit in my makeup thing. I might have to get a bigger makeup thing, guys. Okay, so here's the package, and it's kind of weird because, as you can see, it's off center, the packaging on purpose, which kind of drives me crazy because I am a very symmetrical person. And so like when you look at houses and everything and you see a fireplace and it's one way on one side and another way on the other side, or the fireplace isn't right in the middle of the mantle and stuff, drives me crazy. So this might be a little irritating for that, but other than that, it's okay. So there's some interesting colors in here. You take the thing off. So we've got, let's see, Manila Sands, Taupe of My Game, that's funny. Brownie, Suede Charm, Turban Legend, Title Holder, which is this shimmery gold, Soft Serve, Everything, which is the rose gold kind of shimmer, All of It, the olive shimmer, Blue Moon, Blue Mondew, like a blue shimmer. Then there's Mango Booked, Walnut Strut, Matcha, and Rebel Gray. So I might do some experimenting in some of my videos and try out some of these different ones, because I definitely have ones that I've gotten from some of the other Ipsy bags that are my favorite and I use a lot. If I find something that I like, I use it most of the time, and that's just how it is. So I'm a very big creature of habit, you could say. So all in all, I would say that this Glam Bag X, if you can end up being on their list, as far as I know, they have a limited amount of spots for each one to sign up, and I definitely think it's worth it. I would do this again, and I definitely will be doing this for the next month that they offer it. If you love my video, please hit the like button down below. If you're not aware, my video mainly is a reseller channel, and I do reselling hauls for Goodwill thrift and vintage clothing and all sorts of stuff that I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari, and that is my main focus. This, doing the makeup, is my other focus because I love finding new stuff. I love trying out new things and being able to kind of form the person I am all over again after having 5 kids and being done with having kids. It's a whole new journey, and I am excited for this next portion of my life. It's been a crazy, crazy year, y'all. Crazy year. So glad school's almost over for this year. So glad. Go ahead and subscribe down below. It doesn't cost you anything, and I would definitely appreciate it. I will see you guys in one of my next videos. Hope you're having an amazing day. Love you guys. Bye.